Good afternoon, ma'am. Today I would like to present what I choose the one topic in the switching about the packet switching datagram approach. Packet switching is a method of transmitting data across a network by breaking it into small packets. In the datagram approach, each packet is treated depend in independently like a self-contained message. So packet switching is a method where data is divided into smaller unit called packet per transmission. In the diagram approach, each packet sent independently through the network without a predefined path. Every packet carries its own destination address, which allow routers to forward it separately. As a result, packet may arrive out of order and must reassemble at the receiver's end. And here is the example, the packet switching datagram approach. In the left side, ma'am, this is my own drawing, and in the right side, this is my concept for the for my for my drawing. So I would like to discuss about the advantages and the disadvantages. The advantages of visual circuit ensures packet arrive in order, unless or overheat in each packet. Only the BCI instead of full destination addresses, and lower processing time at the intermediate routers. And for the disadvantages, extra setup time before communication, and for the vulnerability to node or link failures along the establishment path, and less adaptable to dynamic networks changes compared to the datagram switches. Switch Datagram switching. Example uses cases synchronous data mode or ATM and frame relay are example of technologies that use in packet switching datagram approach or a computer, and we need to we need some like wiring to pass the communication, useful in application where sequences order and reliability are important, such as the video conferencing or real-time voice communication. And this is the summary. The data approaching in a packet switching is a method where data is divided into dependent packets, each carrying its own source and destination address. These packets travel separately through the different routes in the network and may arrive out of order, requiring reassemble at this destination. This method provides flexibility, efficient use of network resources, and reliability since packet can reroute if a path failed. However, it may cause a delay or out of sequence delivery. Despite these challenges, the datagram approach is the foundation of the internet and widely used in applications like email, web browsing, and video streaming. Or example for the communication, example in the Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, and Instagram. And that's all, ma'am. Thank you.